Hey guys, so let's take this trade step by step. We're going to go on replay mode and then go all the way to December 13th, Friday. I'm on the ES chart, so it does not show the after hours pre-market. But you'll understand. You can see the bottom, you can see the time. It's 9:50, 9:49. Let's just say I'm going to open it at 9:30. That's when the market starts. Okay, we've noted down these levels. Let me actually make it to 9:30. Okay, all right. So we have noted these levels. This is the pre-market low and high. I did it in the SPY. If you can see, this is SPY levels. I drew the pre-market in the SPY. Previous day high, previous day low. And in the SPY, you can see this after hours different color. But I'm going to show it in ES because then we can see the step-by-step replay and how much profit we can make. So this is 9:29. You can see this. 9:30, the market went down and then went up. So you can see it's a minute-by-minute replay of the candle. I'm going to go minute by minute. The market keeps going up, just keeps going up. And I'm waiting to see, will it go down to my pre-market, the previous day low or the previous day high? Because until then, I won't do anything because I will not know. There's no reason for us to take a trade. We don't have a signal or any kind of a clue to take a call. So we're just going to wait and let the market do its thing. You can see it goes up. And you can see the candle doesn't just print green, 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 green. It goes red and then comes green. Just the 1 minute candle can go red and then green and shake people out. And that's how people lose out because they think it's just going to be all green or all red. When in reality, look at that. It says green, but then it starts going up. You see that? So it keeps going up. We are waiting to see what happens minute by minute. So almost 10 minutes done now. It's still going up. Still hasn't gone up, and there's a big push to the previous day high. So looking at this, you think like, oh my God, this is a strong market. It's going to keep pushing. You look at all these big green candles. Let's see. And then we get the first red rejection, but also then it looks like it's rejecting red and it goes back green. So in all fairness, to the untrained eye, it looks like it's just going to keep going up, but we are waiting because we are professionals. We want to see what's happening. One red candle, we see that. Okay, so we see there's some kind of a resistance at that level. The previous day high acts as a resistance, and then look, it says green. I mean red and then green, and then a big red candle. This is my first clue that there are sellers over here and they're pushing the price down. So I'm waiting now, okay? And I'm just going to go again here. Another red, but you see that 1 minute, it went all the way red and then it wicked up. It went back up, right? When this happens, usually I draw my Fibonacci tool from this high, stop here, this high, all the way to this bottom, okay? And I want to see what's happening. Will it come and touch my 0.5 or 0.618? This is like the golden ratio, golden zone, and then continue down or not. And I'm going to see, look, it touched that and it came back a little bit down. So at this, somewhere here, I'm going to take my trade, right? I'm going to take my trade because two different signals. One, this previous day high looks like it's acting as a rejection, big red candle. Then it retraced a little bit, and from the high to the low here, it retraced back to the 618 Fibonacci level. Those are two different signals, two confluences, if you will, and I like that. Okay, I haven't even started looking into stochastic RSI, anything else. I'm just looking at price action right now. So at this level over here, I will take the trade somewhere here. I may be able to take it here. If I'm not very quick, I may just take it somewhere here, okay? And I'm over here, and I want to see if I can take it back to at least this point here. And so that will be about 2 points, Okay, but ideally, usually, just out of experience, I can tell you, if it came down and then retraced and touched the 0.618, it will come back to at least the 0.272, 0.382. So ideally, I want to take it from somewhere here. If I can take it from the exact 618, great. But if not, wherever I can, to the 0.272, 0.382, just to be conservative, let's just say I'm taking to the 0.272. Okay. So this is my 0.272 level. Okay. And if I take that, that's 3.25 points. And so let's see what happens. And you see that boom. Okay. It hit this. If I just sell here and get out of the trade here, that's from here to here, that's a 2.5 points on the ES. But because it's coming heavy down, I can literally wait and see, oh my God, boom, another boom. Okay. And then literally, if I had taken my trade over here and gone all the way over here, that's 5 points on the ES. Literally 1, 2, 3 minutes, just 3 candles, I made 5 points. Okay. Each point on the ES is $50. And so I would have made $250 profit on just one contract. If I had taken 2 contracts, that's $500. If I had taken 4 contracts, that's $1,000 profit. I'm done there. Even if it's just one contract, $250, I'm done. It's not even, what time is it right now? 9:53. Market opened at 9:30. I waited for about 10-15 minutes for the setup, and then I took it 9:53. I'm done, $250, and I'm done. Okay. Now, if I take this trade over here, let's just say this, okay, it does not go down, but it continues going up, then I will keep my stop loss just above the high of this somewhere here, and I would have gotten a 2-point loss, right? So I'm risking 2 points for every 5 points. That's 1:2 ratio, more than that, right? So every dollar I risk, I can make $2. So if I do that 4 times, and I am wrong 3 times, think about it, right? Let's just say every dollar I risk, I can make $2. I do that 4 different times. The first 2 times I fail. So I lose $1 and I lose another $1 again. But the next 2 times I make $2 and $2. Then I would have made my $2 and another $2 profit. Okay, 2-point profit. So hope it makes sense, guys. This is as simple as that. We'll continue with the lessons.